Skip 2. Hands, feet together. Right. Furudashi. Right leg forward, left leg back. Straight leg stretch, reach. Ni. Son. Chi. Go. Rook. Sich. Hach. Ku. Ju. Switch. Hitch. Ni. Son. Chi. Go. Rook. Sich. Hach. Ku. Ju. Loose. Turn to the side. Guards up to your left. Straight leg stretch to the side. Hitch. Ni. Son. Chi. Go. Rook. Sich. Hach. Ku. Ju. Loose. Switch. Hitch. Ni. Son. Chi. Go. Rook. Sich. Hach. Ku. Ju. Furudashi. Guards up. Left leg straight back. Look over your shoulder every time. Hitch. Ni. Son. Chi. Go. Rook. Sich. Hach. Ku. Ju. Loose. Switch. Ich. Ni. Son. Chi. Go. Rook. Sich. Hach. Ku. Ju. Loose. Reach overhead. Punch cross. Roll your shoulders back. Forward. Furudashi. Let's go through our 5 stances. Ready? From Furudashi, Kibadashi, 4 stance. Back to Furudashi. Kibadashi, slide your left leg out. Back to Furudashi. Now, Niko Akidashi, right leg, left leg forward. Furudashi. Niko Akidashi, left leg forward. Back to Furudashi. Niko Akidashi, left leg forward. Moate, switch. Moate, switch. Moate, 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 moate. Furudashi. Right Maidashi. Right leg forward, left leg back. Back to Furudashi. Right Maidashi. Back to Furudashi. Left Maidashi. Back to Furudashi. Left Maidashi. Back to Furudashi. Kibadashi. Horse stance. Furudashi. Attention stance. Maidashi. Front stance. Kokutsudashi. Back stance. Maidashi. Front stance. Back to Furudashi. Attention stance. And now Niko Akidashi. Cat stance. Furudashi. Niko Akidashi. Cat stance. Furudashi. So, I'm going to step out to the side, outside forearm block, back to Furudashi. Step out block, back to ready. Reach. Ni. Son. Chi. Go. Hook. Sich. Hach. Ku. Ju. Back to ready. Make sure you key out on the last one. Ready? Other side. Step. Outside forearm block. Back to ready. Other side. Step. Block. Back to ready. Reach. Ni. Son. Chi. Go. Rook. Sich. Hach. Ku. Ju. Back to Furudashi. All right, 10 push-ups. All right. Fudarashi. Step back, back stance. Moate switch. Moate switch. Moate. Now all the way around. Moate. Try it again, ready? Go. Fudarashi. Other side, back stance. All the way around, go. Ready, go. Back to Fudarashi. All right, now let's do our blocks. Ready? So step back into front stance, put your guard up, rising block. Step forward, rising block. Step back, rising block. Ich, ni, so, chi, go, rook, sich, hach, ku, kia, ju. Back to Fudarashi. Now step back, scoop. Step forward, scoop. Kokutsudashi, back stance. Thank you. Step back, scoop. Step forward, scoop. Step back, scoop. Step forward. Ich. Ni. So. Chi. Go. Rook. Sich. Touch. Ku. Ju. Fudarashi. All right, let's step to diagonal. You're gonna step out with your left leg. Outside forearm block across. Back to ready. Step out, block. Back to ready. All right, so let's do some down blocks. We're gonna alternate back and forth, side to side. Step back, block. Back to Fudarashi. Other side, step back, block. Back to Fudarashi. Start on this side. Peach. Knee. So. Chi. Go. Rook. Sich. Touch. Ku. Ju. Back to Fudarashi. So a down block is a good defense against a front kick, right? So as Nick throws a kick, I'm gonna use that block, right? And that's how we would apply that. Now let's see something we could do. Woo. All right, so everybody has couches at home. You can use a couch cushion and hold it for your child, right? So that they can practice their kicks. Nick's gonna do a front kick and pull back. So there's 4 steps to a front kick, right? 1, lift the knee. 2, hit with the ball of the foot. 3, pull back. 4, put it back down. All right, this is a great way to get a little practice in at home. Ich, ni, so. He's being nice to me. Chi, go, rook, sich, hach, ku, and ju. Right, so he's gonna do that on the other side. Now, really important when you're holding a bag for somebody, make sure that your knee is not getting hit. Make sure they're hitting high enough so that your knee is not in danger. Ready? Reach. Knee. Son. Chi. Go. Rook. Sich. Hach. Ku. Ju. And having something to touch, you can use all kinds of different techniques and give your kid something to do. This is a game that we play. It's like dance freeze, but with karate instead.
Can you feel it? Now it's coming back. We can steal it if we bridge this gap. I can see you through the curtains of the water. When I lost it, yeah, you held my hand, but I tossed it, didn't understand you were waiting as I dove into the waterfall.
Fudashi. Thanks for joining us in our blizzard class. Hands and feet together. Re, Gumbawa.